So today I'm going to talk about neuropathy and an herb in Chinese medicine that we can use that helps certain conditions of neuropathy, and that herb is Tong Pi. And neuropathy, especially what I want to focus on is neuropathy in the lower extremities. In Western medicine, you can have neuropathy in the upper extremities, and you can also have it in the lower extremities. But in Chinese medicine, we classify it a little bit more differently. Actually, whether it's in the upper or lower is significant as to where the disease is located. So neuropathy, it can be different. There's different types of it. Some people have a burning sensation, which is a neuropathy. Some people have more of a numbness or tingling or sharpness. There can be different qualities to the pain in neuropathy, and it can be due to a number of different conditions. You can have vitamin deficiencies, you could have spinal cord injuries, you could have diabetes. A lot of different things can cause neuropathy. In Chinese medicine, we have a different set of etiologies that cause neuropathy. And one of them specifically is called a disorder of wind and dampness or wet disease. And so, what can happen from a Chinese medicine perspective is a person can get too much wind and dampness in the body, and then it can affect the nervous system, causing neuropathic pain. And there's a herb called Hai Tong Pi, and this is an herb that's actually used for wind and dampness, and especially in cases of it causing neuropathic pain, because wind and dampness can cause all kinds of diseases in Chinese medicine. It can cause disease of any organ system, pretty much. And so, depending on what organ system is affected, it determines what the treatment used is. So, Hai Tong Pi, interestingly, is an herb that specifically in Chinese medicine focuses on the liver, the spleen, and the kidney. Now, if you are familiar with Chinese medicine physiology and anatomy, those are the three organs that travel, their meridians travel along the leg, and they are considered the leg yin channels. So they're yin organs, and they travel along the leg. They're the three yin organs that travel along the leg. So actually, this is an herb that, for that reason, it goes to those three organs, and therefore it especially helps the lower extremity and also the low back. It's known in Chinese medicine to help low back pain, knee pain, um, related to wind and damp obstruction. So, um, for different types of neuropathy, when you come to our clinic, we then evaluate you and see from a Chinese medicine perspective what what channels is it affecting? Is there wind involved? Is there dampness involved? And if it meets all those different types of scenarios, then this is an herb that we may use for that condition. But every person's scenario is different. So some people who come in with, for example, diabetic neuropathy may need one set of treatment versus another person who comes in with diabetic neuropathy. It really depends on which organ systems are involved, which of the channels are involved, and then is there wind or dampness or deficiencies or excess, and a number of other things. But Hai Tong Pi is a herb that's been used in Chinese medical literature for a long time, and it's beneficial for neuropathy. And we'll see you next time. If you want more information on what we do, you can always visit us at www.houstonacupuncture.com. And we'll see you next time.